up with others to try and block you. This individual wants to keep you in suspension. They want to keep you trapped and stuck and bounded to them. They want to bind you. They want to keep you asleep. They fear that they're losing some sort of power, some sort of control, and they eagerly wait for your return. This person's trying to resist some sort of tower moment. They know that the cycle with you has come to an end. So much so that they resorted into manipulation and spell work. For some of you, they use the art of manipulation by manipulating others to lure you back to them. For some of you, this person teamed up with others to try and spiritually bully you. They see you as powerful. For some of you, they see you as getting away. Because for some of you, I feel like this person misses the connections that you both shared. Maybe in the past, you used to hang out with this person. You are a vibe. You brought a lot of joy and excitement into this person's life, so much so that this individual became very fixated and obsessed with your energy. You were evolving, and they didn't want you to evolve and step into your power. They had some sort of control over you. Very toxic individual. You know, this person is wrapped up in fear. Fear of your growth, fear of who you will become. For some of you, this individual wants to destroy you. And they have been competing with you in the background, very threatened by you. They act as if they are unbothered in regards to you, but it's not the truth. Your energy triggers this individual. And they fear that you could be taking away someone dear to them or their friends. And that's why they cling on. They cling on to what they need to release. And they cling on to trying to avenge you in some way. They feel like you've wronged them. And they feel like they have to right something that was wrong. They don't want to let something go or someone go. For some of you, they don't want to let you go. But your guides are protecting you. So no matter what this person is trying to do, they will fail. It may look like in the now or in the past that things were working, and maybe Spirit wanted it to be that way. But it's no secret anymore. It's not a secret. This person is exposing themselves. They're exposing the fact that they're obsessed with you. They're exposing the fact that they're unstable. This person does not want to heal some sort of heartbreak that they are experiencing due to the breakup of this connection. I feel like this person was reading too much into this actual connection than you were. With some of you, this person was secretly or is secretly in love with you. And they fear that you will move forward and connect with someone that you actually have feelings for. And they feel like if they bind you, they can delay you from meeting someone. And they want to fill that spot. It's almost like they want a destiny swap in a sense. For others of you, I feel like this person is very, very obsessed with you. They fear your power. And they fear that you'll be seen in a higher light than them. So they are competing with you, trying to outdo you, teaming up with others to try and come up against you so that you'll give up, so that you will fail, so that they'll run you out of some sort of group or workplace. But this person's just making themselves look like a clown out here. You know, this individual is trying to break you down. And all the energy that they're pushing into trying to break you down is wearing them down. You are loved regardless. And your self-love is breaking you free from this individual. This person wants you to choose them. But you are moving forward. Spirit is pushing you away from this person. For some of you, this individual does not want you to be seen as victorious. They want to beat you at all costs. They see you in a high light. They will never admit it, but their actions are admitting it. This person is resisting an ending. They are supposed to transform. They are supposed to release you. They refuse to. They're supposed to leave you alone. They refuse to. And the more they invest in trying to bind you or drag you down, destroy you, it's going to affect their abundance, their inner peace, They're not connected spiritually. They're detached. They're in love, which is why they're acting in this way. They do not understand that they're exposing their manipulative ways. And for some of you, this person will be left behind. This could be like a mother figure, someone posing as a mother figure. But they're going to be left out in the cold. A cycle has been closed.